Yeah, is that the one? Yes, sing that one, bro.
Is you recording?
Yeah, bro.
This one's for all the ladies in the house. I don't normally do this, but anything for the beautiful girls.
Sorry, just play.
You're looking kinda lonely, girl. Would you like someone new to talk to? Oh yeah, alright. I feel kinda lonely too, if you don't mind. Can I sit down here beside you? Oh yeah, alright. Oh, if I seem to come on too strong, I hope that you would understand. I say these things cause I'd like to know if you as lonely as I am. And would you mind sharing the night together? Whoa, yeah. Let's start sharing the night together. Whoa, yeah.
Come sit down.
Let's start sharing the night. Would you like to dance with me and hold me? You know I wanna be holding you. Oh yeah, alright. Cause I like feeling like I do when I see in your eyes, and I know that you like me too. Oh yeah, turn the lights on. Alright.
Turn the lights on, bro.
I like to get to know you better. Is there a place where
You like to
we
make
can
our
go,
famous. Turn the light on.
where we can be alone together and turn the lights down low? Let's down low and start sharing the night together. Whoa, yeah. And start sharing the night together. Whoa, yeah. And start sharing the night together.
Yeah.
All you ladies out there, if you want to holler at me, the number is 000 emergency only. So just give me a buzz. Just ask for Ilai. Have you heard this one?
Archie, what song is it?
Tender Touch.
No.
How many times you gonna do what you do to me? Still I turn around and take you like that, just for the love and all the joys that you make me feel. So I really could turn my back, a lady forever. Oh, you're the one that's gonna be by my side, here and for always. Always here forever, every minute, every second. Take your time, no need to rush. A little bit of hugging, a little bit of kissing, with your sweetest tender touch. Cause girl, you got my sweet affection. Take your time, no need to rush. A little bit of hugging, a little bit of kissing, with your sweetest tender touch. Whoa, whoa. I'm gonna love you, baby. I'm gonna love you, baby. For better or worse, I'm gonna love you, girl, and that's for sure. I'm the kind of man who plays for keeps. Being alone wasn't something I was searching for. You're the tenderness this rude boy needs. A lady forever. Oh, I'm the one that's gonna be by your side, you for always. Always here forever, every minute, every second. Take your time, no need to rush. A little bit of kissing, a little bit of hugging, with your sweetest tender touch. Cause girl, you got my sweet affection. Take your time, no need to rush. A little bit of kissing, a little bit of hugging, with your sweetest tender touch. Whoa, whoa. I'm gonna love you, baby. I'm gonna love you, baby.
Marlo. Sweet.
I'm addicted to your loving. But if you should know how my love goes, then baby stay close.
Feel me.
Take my hand and don't let go. I'm addicted to your loving. But if you should know how my love goes, then maybe stay close. You won't ever have to cry. Just dry them teardrops from your eyes. As long as you're by my side, we won't shed no tears, 'cause everything will be just fine. As long as you don't let go. Don't let go. Oh yeah. Don't let go. Everything will be just fine. As long as you stay by my side. Don't let go. Take my hand and follow me. I'll take you down a path where we can see of what this truly means. You are my queen. I'm down on my knees. You won't ever have to cry. Driving teardrops from your eyes. As long as you're by my side, we won't shed no tears, 'cause everything will be just fine. As long as you don't let go. Don't let go. Oh no. Don't let go. Everything will be just fine. As long as you stay by my side and don't let go.
Peace, Ilai.
Everything will be just fine. As long as you stay by my side and don't let go. Somole, Lia. remember the day I called Mama on the telephone. I told her, Mama, I'm getting married. I could hear her voice on the other side of the telephone. She was smiling and she asked me a question that I proudly answered. She said, son, did you take time to know her? I told her, Mama, she's the best. But today, let me so to go back to Mama and say, Mama, I'm getting divorced. Whoa, I'm getting divorced. This choice I made didn't work out the way I thought it would. This choice I made, I remember the church when the preacher man read the scriptures. You look so beautiful and so innocent. Little did I know that behind that beauty lies the true colors that will hurt me in years to come. It's not easy to understand it, son, but I hope you will make it. You'll be happy again. It's not easy to understand it, son, but I hope you will make it. You'll be happy again. Mama's always right. Woo!
That's a white boy.
Say it, bro. Mama's always right.
Say it. Mama's always right.
Mama's always right.
Oh, okay.